Do you remember in my previous video how I said that the government likes to label you as crazy and whatever, lock you up? If they can't lock you up in jail, they're going to lock you up in a mental ward. And I said this like 6 weeks ago or whatever on my channel. Well, guess what I just got? I got a second version of the restraining order that I was given 6.5 months ago. And Family Services is trying to play it off like that's the original version that I got. And in the second version, it says that I have been diagnosed with schizophrenia, bipolar, and narcissistic personality disorder. Let me tell you something, that's never happened, okay? I caught Judge Randall Fuller making a second restraining order and saying that it was the one that I received 6.5 months ago. Kelly Pruitt emailed me a copy, not realizing that it's the new version of the restraining order that I wasn't supposed to have. So I'll show it to you. Okay, this is the old restraining order. It says, hearing on October 5th, 2017, service of process has not been, should not otherwise appear for hearing. And this is it, right? Okay, this is the new restraining order. Full hearing on January 3rd, 2018. I've never been there, okay? It says right there that I was given an order, that I was personally served a copy of this petition on October 11th, 2017. No, I was given this one on October 11th, 2017. All right, are you following me? So it's two different restraining orders, okay? In this restraining order, it says, if you read this, I believe Elizabeth suffers from schizophrenia. Let's see. It says how I knew that Kelly had taken my kid on September 22nd. As of 9/22, I was given custody in school, and she's then made threats. Okay, none of that ever happened because I never knew that Kelly had Eden as far as September 22nd. Okay, that's the first restraining order, all right? This restraining order makes no mention of any of Kelly's accusations as far as me showing up or anything like that, because the lawyers figured out when there was court on February 20th that I had evidence that I had not done any of the things that Kelly had said that I did, okay? And so the court system decided they were going to go ahead and cover up again for Kelly because they were found guilty of knowledge, of knowing that I did not know anything, and they knew I didn't know anything, and they knew what they were doing was a crime, but they went ahead and did it anyways because, what did I say? This is a retaliation for my being a whistleblower, right? In this one it says that I'm undiagnosed, right? That's Kelly's thing. She believes whatever. And this one says, hold on. Okay. Respondent was previously diagnosed as schizophrenic, bipolar, and with narcissistic personality disorder. That's never happened. Now, I am calling Family Services and I am trying to get the name of the doctor that they have paid to make this false medical record. I'm telling you, I've never gone to the doctor. As a matter of, about that, you know what I mean? Because I refused because I knew that something crazy was going on, like I previously reported. Okay, so they just went ahead and made a false psychiatric record. So no one will get back to me. No one will give me the name of the supposed doctor that wrote this. Let me show you this. So then I started looking at all the stuff that I got on April 31st of this year. Today is May 3rd, okay? I started looking at, from Ohio State Job and Family Services, I started looking really close. It says here, mother reported that she completed a psychological evaluation. No, I didn't. I said that I had made an appointment with the shrink and that I had done my mental evaluation and had come back sane, okay? They still have not gotten back to me on the mental evaluation that I made 6 weeks ago, okay? In order to be able to speak to my child, no one's gotten back to me, all right? Of course not, because they don't want me talking to Eden. And when that mental evaluation came back that I was normal, they freaked, and I couldn't figure out why, okay? And something told me, you know what, go and get that restraining order. So when I requested it, there was a new restraining order, and there were all sorts of inaccuracies and lies on legal paperwork, lies given by a judge, okay? Omissions of the first restraining order, new allegations on the second restraining order, and nobody will get back to me. No one will talk to me. I am seriously looking for a lawyer. I have totally had it. I cannot even believe that this has happened. Okay?